Here's why I recommend Mount Willard in the White Mountains if you're looking for a family-friendly hike that allows you to get those sweeping, gorgeous views without too much effort and that's easy for kids to handle. This hike starts on the other side of the train station in Crawford Notch. This trail is 3.1 miles out and back and gives you 895 feet of elevation gain. There is two small stream crossings that are pretty easy to do, and the end result is absolutely gorgeous views. It is uphill the entire way there, so about a mile and a half, but it's definitely doable as long as you don't mind climbing over rocks. The views at the top were just gorgeous, and it was such a good bang for your buck hike.